Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of these winter fishing gloves and all the details that go along with it. So first off, this is a size small, just for reference. The size small is probably, in this example, a little too small for my hand. It fits, it's very fitted, but probably could go up maybe to a medium or a large. It just makes it a little bit more challenging to get on, but definitely fits. Now, some call outs on this glove is that it has this gel type silicone grip. So if you're trying to hold something wet during fishing, one of those type activities, picking up something that's like that's probably frozen, this is definitely going to help from a grip standpoint. The whole entire glove is insulated. It slips on, has an elastic wrist around here, and you can tighten this on to really kind of seal that in from a temperature standpoint, really just kind of sealing off the whole entire hand. This is reflective, so especially when doing night fishing, just makes it a little bit more obvious where you might be located. Now, the fingers have 1, 2, and 3. You line them up, and then you snap them out of the way like that. So if you want to have fingers exposed, you definitely can do that. And then to cover them back up, unsnap, pull the thumb in, and then you are good to go. Another cool feature is that these fingers don't need to be exposed to use, let's just say, a smartphone where you might need to touch the screen. So just using the thumb, the screen is actually being picked up with the glove on, so don't need to expose the skin, let's just say in a very cold situation, which was a nice plus. These are also pretty much waterproof. I wouldn't like submerge my hand in a bucket of ice cold water, but definitely rain and that type of environment, holding a wet fish or something, your hands are going to stay dry. Very, very cool. They also have a way, these can also be kind of like ski gloves, where these can be clipped together with a clip. And so from a storage standpoint, or kind of, clipping this to something so they don't get missing, you have that built in there as well. But very, very comfortable. The inside is definitely nice and warm. The outside has sort of a polyester water prevention type material on it. Nice logo right here on the wristband. All in all, very, very impressive glove. I actually was surprised. I haven't seen a pair of gloves where the touchscreen actually works without your skin touching it. So that was actually a big plus. Full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, tell us what you think from a fishing standpoint, a warmth standpoint, convenience standpoint, grip standpoint. Hopefully all those things came across, and we'll talk to you soon.